Welcome friends. In this video tutorial, we will study about HTML node tree. So let's see HTML DOM node tree. The HTML DOM use a HTML document as a tree structure. The tree structure is called a node tree. All nodes can be accessed through the tree. Their contents can be modified or deleted and new contents or elements can be created. The node tree shows the set of nodes and the connection between them. The tree starts at the root node and branches out to the text node at the lowest level of the tree. So this is the DOM tree in which root node is the document. Root element have two sub elements which is the child. One is the heady and second is the body. Now body also contain two child which is the anchor tag and element h1 tag, and it have also sub element which is the child of this element. So this is about DOM tree, the structure of the DOM tree. Now let's see and discuss node parents, children and siblings. The nodes in the node tree have a hierarchical relationship to each other. The term parent, child and siblings are used to describe the relationship. Parent node have children. For example, HTML root element have two children, one is the head and second is the body. Children on the same level are called siblings, brothers or sisters. In a node tree, the top node is called the root. Every node except the root has exactly one parent node. A node can have any number of children. A leaf node is node with no children. Siblings are nodes with the same parent. So this is about parents, children and siblings. Now let's see HTML fragment and its siblings, parents and childrens. So we have created one HTML document which contains head element, title element, body element and in body element two other element called h1 and p, and we have completed HTML document. Now let's see which are the parents, which are the childrens and which are the siblings. In the HTML fragment, every node except from the document node has a parent node. The HTML node has no parent node, the root node. Parent node of the head and body node is the HTML node. The parent node of the hello world text node is P node. Most element nodes have child nodes. The HTML node has two child which is head and body as described in this fragment. One is the head and body which is the children of HTML. Head node has one child called title node. Title node has one child text node DOM tutorial. The H1 and P nodes are siblings, both child nodes of body which is shown in this fragment. We can see these elements are child of body. So this is about basic node tree of HTML DOM. Thank you.